Oh, forgot to record in the first part. So this is more of a you can treat this poem like a riddle or a puzzle. Okay, let's open the whiteboard. Can you guys see the whiteboard?
I can see it.
Okay. Ina, can you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, so I'm gonna write this poem first. Okay, so the title here is 画. Anyone know the meaning of this character?
It's painting.
Yeah. Picture of painting. Okay. Picture or painting. 画. So let's look at the first sentence. 远看山有色，远看山有色. So I know you've already mastered this sentence, so I don't need to ask you to read after me for this sentence. 远看山有色. So do you know the first character here? 远
Yuan. It's far away, right?
Yes. 远
Or in the distance.
far away. 看
It's like to look or see.
Yes, look. See. Watch. They are the same character. 看 山 I believe you already know. The mountains. I didn't
Yes.
just draw a mountain.
Mm.
有
To have
Yes, have. 色
colors.
Yes, colors.
阳色, 绿色.
远看山有色. 远看 There's an action here. Action. See it from far away. So the mountain has colors. That's the first sentence. See it from far away. I can see there's colors on the mountains. The mountains have colors. So this is a poem, and in some way, a poem. We have this 对联. Anyone heard of this? 对联.
I know Dui means right. I don't know Lian.
Yes.
But something about the how it has to be composed, like the how many words and what is
Yes, you're
like
close. So
uh,
对 has two meanings. One is right or correct. The other is opposite. opposite. So here it used the second meaning, being opposite. So it's a sort of a game, type of words game, word game that those people they play in Asian China. Like they write a sentence like this. Okay, 远看山有色. Or let's see, simpler one like 水火水 water fire water. Okay, but of course they have more uh different meanings into that. The sentence had to mean something. The sentence has to have a specific tone, like flat tone, second tone, fourth tone, flat tone, something like that. They have a rule. This they call in the past, they call it 平仄. Pingzi is what they call the different tones in a 对联 or a poem, 诗歌. In the past, a sentence must follow some tone rule. Like the first character must be the first tone, second character must be the second tone character. Okay, so let's go back to 对联 itself. As I said, it's a word game. One people give the question, like the sentence, and the other people try to get the answer. Okay, the answer must have three different rules, three different points to get this answer right. First, every character needs to be the exact in the same category, but different meaning, opposite meaning. Like 水 here is water, so there should be fire. And the next thing would be, see here, the tones needs. The answer should be satisfying the tone difference either. So have the opposite meaning in the same category, object water, object fire, and the different, but with a but you can look up to the tone difference. And finally, if this sentence means something, this sentence had to mean something. It's not like you find the opposite character for each character, and if the final answer you got is not a meaningful sentence, then you are wrong. You are not successful to get the answer. Okay, so do you have any questions about this 对联 stuff? Okay,
Just a comment. I think that it was very powerful that the poets or the people who could play with the language, that means they were artists in it. They were recognized very much. They had a high standard, right?
Yes, that's a way for them to show off. Like,
Yeah,
I'm so good at literature, so I can ask a question that nobody can get the answer, something like that. So let's get the next sentence. Then you will know why I introduced that first. 静听水 无声静听水无声。Okay, so do you know the other characters in this sentence? Okay, I guess no. So
My board is loading. So what? Jin is like wheat. Well, I don't know. He's wheat.
Jing. Jing
Wait.
is close,
Near, right? Mhm.
close, near, nearby. Ting is listen.
Here.
Yes,
Listen.
here, listen. Shui is water, what I just said in my example. Wu, snow.
Probably an old word. It's
No.
like not, right? Or
No or just means negative. Shen is sound. So this sentence means you came close to hear the water, but there's no sound in it. The water also, it can mean river or sea in Asian poems. They just use water to represent for water in the sea. So river or sea or spring or creek, they don't have the sound. That's the second sentence here. So back to what I just said about 对联. You can say these two sentences are exact like this. Or we say 工整. It means they match perfectly. You see, far away to close, both adjectives.
hunting, right?
Yeah.
See and hear.
Here,
Mountain, water.
see, here, both actions. Water, river, and mountain is water and earth, right? They are opposite. One can run, one would run through, one would stay still. Oh, no, there's nothing. There is something. Have, don't have. Sound, color, differences. So you can see this is perfectly matched. And they both mean an action. Both have its actual meanings. You look far away at it, you can see a color. But you came close to listen, the water has no sound.
Yeah.
工整. This two is 工整. So he's a really good poet. You can see why.
Mhm.
So the following next two sentences is the same, has the same connection. So next is 春去. Hoa 还在. 春去. 花还 在 春 you should know this character by now.
So that's springtime.
Yeah, springtime. Springtime. 去
Walk or
is
go.
go. Yeah. 花
Flower or blossom.
yeah, flower. 还 know this one?
Rather or should, rather or instead of, or something like that.
Yeah, still.
Even though, still.
Yeah,
Okay.
even though it's a close one. 在 it means here. Present.
Present.
Yeah, present. Okay, so springtime is gone.
Mhm.
The flower is still here.春去花还在. Yes. So the final sentence. 人来鸟不惊。人来鸟不惊。人 is people, right? 来 is come.
Come.
Yeah. 鸟 is bird. 不 is no, not. 惊 is getting startled.
Like being afraid or shocked or something.
Yeah, afraid. You'll be startled. Okay, so people come close and the bird does not get scared. You can still see the two connections. Spring, go. People come. The flower is still here. The bird did not get scared. Thing with action, the object and its action. You can see it's still is mine like this. It just here is action. Here is a still action. A thing. Water is a thing. A mountain is a thing. A bird is a thing. A flower is a thing. The water does not have a sound. The mountain does not have color, has color. The bird did not get scared. The flower is still here.
Is blooming.
Yeah, then you can see why this guy, this Wang Wei here is a really good poet. It's 工整. The whole poem is carefully crafted.
Sherizan, you can make the whiteboard smaller or bigger with 2 fingers. You spread it or make it smaller. You can change where the whiteboard is.
You can't see the whiteboard in general, or you cannot see what I'm writing on the whiteboard?
Susan, your mic is closed, sir.
Like you can see.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let me stop, close it, and let me.
Yeah, you can
again.
demonstrate it on the poem itself, maybe.
Yeah, can you see it now?
Susan, you see it?
I can see your. I can see your arrow here. Can you see it now?
Yes, I can see it. What is it now?
Okay.
Okay, that's a good thing. I see you right. Yes, fine. Oh, okay. So, do you have any questions that you can't get, or you uh, didn't
Grammatically
see?
correct. Is it grammatically correct to speak like this?
Sorry, I
Is it
didn't
correct to speak like this?
practice. Yeah,
No, can you speak like this?
sorry, I still didn't get you. I'm sorry.
You mean if the Chinese in this poem is understood with Chinese today?
Yes.
Oh, see. Yes, we still understand it today, but they follow a different grammar system. Although they follow different grammar system, you can see this. 花还 I like 花还在. We still use it in daily communications. 花还在. Can you see me writing?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, 花还在. Something is still here. 人还在. Like 人还在. 水还在.
What is here, or what does it mean?
Yeah, people is still here. The water, maybe a bottle of water. No, bottle of water is still here. We still use these type of expressions, but like 春去, well, we now will say
去了.
春天过去了. It's actually shorter for 春去. It left these two. We now fill in to complete the sentence. It's more like that. And we still use like 远看. It's a word now. It's a word. 远看. 静听 is still a word. And still means the same thing. See it from far away or listen to it from close, nearby. But if you need a complete translation here, you'll be like, I'll say the Chinese first. 远远的看过去，山有颜色，但走近了听，水没有声音，流水没有声音。 春天过去了，花朵还在盛开，人走近了，鸟却没有感到害怕。It's more like to fill in this sentence to get the complete meaning. People come, how they come? They walk here. 所以 you add a walk, 人走过来. It means people walk to get here. 走过来. If I add a run, 跑
Got that?
跑过人跑过来 then that guy is running towards that, running to get to this position. Okay, so any characters that you need more explanations on? You wanna
Maybe Chwen. It's like
Chun?
looks like the hand we show,
Oh,
and like sun.
Chun? You mean where? The top? This part?
Mm.
手 would be
Only two of it.
this is 手 okay? 看 this is a 手 手 writes like this. This is the eye, okay? So 手 put above the eye is 看 see. So why? You can remember it as when there's a
Okay,
sun,
yes.
yeah, when there's sun, the sunlight is too much, and when you need to see far away, you need to put your hand above your eyes so you can see further with the shadow of the eye, shadow of your
Mhm.
hand. So this is saying that action. You put your hand above your eye. Okay. And for Chun, this thing is not come from the hand. That's the other.
Okay.
What about the character Wu?
Wu. Okay.
Wu, yeah.
Like this one?
Mm.
This one here?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
So
Mm.
Wu
Like a Tian with extra.
Tian.
It's like Tian.
Yeah. It just has one difference. The final stroke. Tian is na. It goes straight down. Na. So Wu, the last stroke is shu. One go. It's like a hook. That's the main difference. But they do look like the first three strokes are the same. Only the last stroke here are different. So, any other characters? Need more explanation?
In this character, what is that? Yuan.
Yuan.
Is that also the sign for the money?
Inside is yuan. Now we call money. How many yuan? Okay.
Mhm. And so the sign which is before that, or it's written after it, but it stands before, it's because of the pronunciation, or
Which one? This?
in the word yuan, which means far away.
Okay,
Yeah,
far away. That's yuan. Yuan.
what you just wrote. Yeah.
That's the third for yuan. Yuan is the second tone.
Okay.
Okay, so I will give you your homework about this poem. I put in the chat. It's a few characters, again, phrases that we use class to replace. You mean the characters that close to these have a close meanings to these have the same meaning but different characters.
Mhm. I think the download worked for me. Jilzan, could you get it also?
Yes, I got it.
Good. So what should we do with it?
Try to learn how to write it. I have here put how to write and to find, go on and find two different words for the characters I list on the first homework number 1. Okay, that will be the homework. So 远近看色听声春花海来鸟惊 That's 12 characters and the entire poem.
I didn't understand what you said about the words.
You have 12 characters in the first homework number 1, and the entire poem in
Number 2. Mhm.
you find 2 words as a character in it in the first homework. So 24 words with the 12 characters. Understand?
Mm.
Okay, it seems the time is running up.
Wait.
I will make a post about how to use these, how to write these 2 homeworks, if the time is up. Okay.
Okay. Yes, we write them.
Yeah, and the next
you very
lesson will
much.
be focused on the 12 characters, and you will know everything about the characters. Okay, how they're put
Thank
in
you
the
very
sentence,
much.
how
Yeah.
to organize them into a word, different pronunciation.